Okay, let's try something different.
So for today guys, lalaroin naman po natin itong MC na 76 Earths po, no. So napakaangas ito guys. So laruin po natin itong MC na 76 Earths. At kung mapapansin nyo guys, unlimited busy na po yan. At with ankle breaker na rin po ito guys, no. Let's go. Yan po guys, no. Yan, OB Junior Advance. So yan po guys, no. So Minnesota Timberwolves versus Philadelphia 76ers. So click natin yung play.
And now a quick check of our starting lineup.
Guys, so napakaangas ito guys. Bago na naman yung magalaban, Philadelphia 76ers at Minnesota Timberwolves po. So tayo ngayon ay sa 76ers. Gideon McDaniels guys, so Anthony Edwards, Paul George guys, so ito yung Maxi. Okay, so start na po natin guys. Napakaangas na laban na to guys. Let's go.
So Philadelphia will get the first possession. Now here is
oops. Grabe naman yung sir. Hey. Oras parehas lang nga ng jersey na block.
76ers on defense. Here is Edwards. Pass to Conley.
Uy. Oops. Box out.
Knocked away.
Uy. Sayang di niya nahawakan guys. Nanginayang rin. Isa kanila po yung bola guys. So let's go. Unin natin siya. Abangan lang natin. Hey.
5 to shoot.
Oops.
Towns.
You know. Dito.
Pass to George.
Sa akin. Dito. Uy. Uy, nice one.
The shot is good.
Sige, angat.
Serious challenge. Always.
Angat.
Minnesota with the ball. 4-point game.
Still. Oops.
Towns.
Hey.
Offensive rebound.
Uy, grabe naman yun, dumakdak. Grabe lang nakapigil Hindi, bawi tayo guys. Kailangan natin makabawi. Dito.
And the 76ers with possession.
Nasa mo sa akin, uy. Nice.
And we're about
over, uy.
into the first quarter.
Nice one. Kita nyo ba yun? Good shot selection guys.
Here is Edwards. Here's Gobert.
Nice.
Philadelphia with the rebound.
Dito.
We're just about 2 minutes into the first quarter. Outside Gordon.
Nice.
From 13.
Nice one. Na naman guys. Nakita nyo naman. So kung bago pa lang kayo sa ating YouTube channel guys, so click ko lang po yung subscribe. Kung nasa Facebook page naman po kayo, click ko po yung follow guys. Uy.
Launches a three. Timberwolves keep it alive.
Nice.
He certainly didn't take advantage of the poor defense, but they can't count on him to continue missing.
Dribble tayo. Nice one.
6 points for him.
Comeback na sila guys. Yung link po nito guys is nasa pin comment section nyo guys Kung nasa YouTube man kayo or nasa Facebook.
Here is Edwards. Stolen. Here we go.
All
alone.
Kita mo naman yung guys. Napakaangas nun.
Conley with it.
Ganyan dulo, no?
Towns.
Grabe naman dito.
Finger roll.
Very high quality shot. Can't get enough of those.
Pasang sa akin. Ito na.
Outside, George.
Ano ba ito?
This quarter of action, just under 3.5 minutes played.
Nice one. Okay din guys. Pagkahin naman.
Every time it gets scored on during this
Bago pala po sa ating YouTube channel guys, click na yung subscribe button. At kung nandito na po kayo guys sa ating Facebook page, click niyo po yung follow. Meron din po tayong Bilibili Space guys. No?
From down low.
Uy, call pa nga. Yun guys, nasa medyo na lang po yung video natin yung tutorial, no? So, ulitin guys, kung nandito po sa YouTube, click nyo po yung subscribe guys para sa mga update ng game na to. At kung nasa Facebook page naman po kayo, click nyo po yung follow guys, no? Nag-press pa siya. Tapos yung link po guys is nandiyan lang po sa ating comment section, no? Nakita po tayo sa next video guys, at God bless po sa atin.
He contorts his body in angles that really give him a chance to make shots from weird positions all the time.
Okay, let's try something different.